What's up guys? Welcome to another video. I've been lazy and I haven't washed the engine of my car, and so that's what we're gonna do this weekend. I'll show you what we're working with. Let's go. Okay, here's the engine. I think it was last cleaned, I don't know, 3 months ago, 4 months ago, I don't know. It's not super dirty, but dirty for me. Here's the hinge. Yes, camera, I have a hard time focusing. Okay, there you go. And then in the inside, we have dust, water with dust. We're gonna handle that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna dress the car or dress the panels because I don't normally do that. I don't wanna deal with anything sticky. Just a fair amount of dirt. You don't want to be leaving this dirt for too long. It might yellow the paint, especially if you have a white car. My small engine. Some dirt on there. This one too. We're gonna handle that. Luckily I changed this so it doesn't have white panels, so we're gonna have an easy time cleaning it out. Just need a couple of brushes just to get in this area. Okay, so these are the things that I'll need. This is a how do I, this is not a how to. So here's how I do it. I got a couple of brushes here and maybe some other brushes if I needed. I'll be using a pressure washer with the biggest orifice that I have. This is 4.0, which will drop my pressure to just around 1,100 PSI. You could also do this with a garden hose sprayer. Just put it in a shower setting or jet, depending on which part of the engine you are going to tackle. I almost always use this. This is Clean Korea's Green Monster towel. Very good for grubby areas. And then we have orange APC or citrus-based APC in the IK foamer with the standard gray tip inside. And you could also use just, regular spray bottles here, high volume output. And then this one is a foaming spray bottle. Most importantly, I need a plastic bag. The only thing I cover is the alternator. The alternator and the belts. I don't want to spray anything on the belts. I don't want to make it squeak. I don't want to crack it in the long run. That's the only thing I cover. Sensors are pretty, sealed. They have seals inside here on the connection. You don't have to worry about that, especially for newer cars. But for older cars, just practice common sense. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that thing so we can begin. Don't do this on a hot engine. And that's how it is. Focus, bro. Yep, okay, that's the only thing I cover. Police belts are there. If you wet them or spray them, they might squeak. I don't want that squeak. I've been doing this since I got the car. No squeaks. Okay, it's time to rinse. Whoop. Second thing I would do is get all the leaves, if there are any, get them out because I don't want them flying around when I blow it with a pressure washer. First thing I'm gonna do is clean this so I can work my way downwards, okay? I'll do it by section. First, I'll rinse it and then I'll scrub the areas. Safety first, don't forget to use gloves. For large areas, you would want to use a bigger media. Okay guys, alright, that's clean all the way this part. So everything on top is now clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put my attention in the engine itself. I'm just gonna do the half and then this half. If you have a bigger engine, you could do 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and then move on. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I clean this part. Okay, sorry. What I'm gonna do now is give my attention to the back first because it's hard to reach. Just found a use for this. So that's it guys. As you can see, it's just foam, agitate, rinse. That's all you need to do. I'm gonna bring you in closer. It looks sparkling now. This isn't, oh my, gotta wipe that. This part is sparkling. This part, I'ma wipe that. So that's it. All I need to do now is just dry the engine. I'll be using the SGCB blower that I have, or you can also use compressed air. You can also use a towel. It's up to you. Don't let the equipment handicap you on what you want to do. There are many ways to do this. This is just how I do it, right? So I'm just gonna give you a clip of me drying so I could continue washing the car for this weekend. Still thinking if I should put a protectant. Seems to be okay without it. Easier to clean. Yeah, so here's my drying equipment. Blower, or you can use compressed air, tornador style, blowgun. Up to you guys. And now, as you can see, we have a clean engine. Yes. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that off camera, but basically that's how I do it. Looks very clean, very dry. Ooh, that sound of cleanliness. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this. It's just a regular guy doing regular cleaning things. So thanks for watching. Bye guys. Most important thing I forgot. Let's hit start. Here we go. Clear, clear, clear.